Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You are signed in with your Apple ID, two-factor authentication is active, and a valid payment method is on file. Once done, open Settings and tap your name to access family sharing immediately. Tap Set up family sharing and choose Organizer if not already set. This determines who pays for shared purchases. Make sure you have family members' Apple ID ready, because you will invite them next. Doing these first steps prevents permission or billing issues later. Next, invite family members and enable purchase sharing so apps are accessible. Tap Add Member, then send an invite via messages or enter their Apple ID directly. They must accept on their device. After they join, enable purchase sharing and family sharing settings so App Store purchases are shared automatically. Make sure to configure Ask to Buy for any child accounts so you can approve purchases. This protects spending while keeping sharing active. Once members accept, apps bought by anyone appear for the group to download. Finally, download shared apps by opening the App Store, tapping your profile, then Purchased and selecting the family member who bought the app. If apps don't appear, sign out and sign back into the App Store or restart your device to refresh entitlements. Make sure all members use the correct Apple ID and that purchase sharing is still enabled. Regional App Store differences can block some apps. If problems continue, temporarily disable and re-enable purchase sharing, or re-invite the member to resolve account link issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.